See, we already discussed the concept of relational operators. Relational operators. See, based on the relational operators, today we are going to discuss about conditional control statements also. Sir, what are the conditional control statements? Exactly. What is the use of if block? What is the use of if else block? What is the use of if else if block and nested if block? Where we use exactly these four conditional statements, you will get clarity. But before that, we should be good at the concept of relational operators. We know that relational operators are greater than, less than, greater than or less than or equals to, and not equals to. See what these operators will return. We know, just check the relation among the data. Suppose 5 is greater than 3. Yes, condition is true. So it will return true. 5 equals to 3. Both are equal? No. So it returns false. 3 is not equals to 4. Yes, both are not equal. So it will return true. So the relational operators returns a Boolean value, true or false, by validating the relation. By validating the relation among the data. So first one simple example, then exactly where we are using the relational operators and conditional operators. First one simple program I'll explain. Here it is. Two variables I'm taking. Directly I'm taking two variables. A equals to 5, comma, B equals to 3. Simple one. I'm just printing directly system.out.println. A is greater than B. What is the value? 5 is greater than 3. Condition is a true. So output is a true will come. Output is true will come. Sir, suppose I'm writing like this. I just want to print first A value. A. Next followed by, I'm showing that greater than. Next B value. Next equals to. Equals to. Like this I want to print. Now you will get the output very clearly. 5 is greater than 3 equals to 2. Sir, suppose if I change the value 2, then 2 is greater than 3. Here 2 is greater than 3. Condition is a false. Like this. So here we are writing just concatenation. In the last class already I mentioned very clearly. That's why I'm doing like this. Next, equal to, I'm writing equal to. Next, not equals to, I'm writing not equals to. Now you will get the output is clearly 2 is greater than 3 is a false. 2 is less than 3 is a true. Yes. Both are equal. No, false. Both are not equal. Yes, it is true. One simple code that representing relational operators. Relational operators. Now come to the point. What are the conditional statements? What are the conditional statements? See, conditional statements, when we can go with first They will ask the questions like this. What are the questions? Check the number, or please write the conditions. Write conditions to check number is positive. How? Simply n, take any number n, number a, x, your wish. Number is greater than 0 is positive. Write conditions to check number is negative. Number is negative. How you will write? Number is less than 0. Condition to check person can vote. Age should be greater than or equals to 18. Condition to check person can give the blood. Okay, simple things first. Condition to check two numbers equal. Take two numbers, number 1, number 2, xy, ab, like this. A greater than b, a equals to b. Condition to check two numbers not equal. A is not equals to b, like this. We are writing the conditions like this. But okay, sir, we can able to write the conditions happy. Condition to check the number divisible by 7. How? Number mod 7. If you divide, remainder should be equals to 0. Which one will give the remainder? Mod operator will give the remainder. To check the number is even number, n mod 2 equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now, sir, okay, they have given the question. Generally, we are writing the condition, but where are the programs? Those programs actually called conditional statements. Conditional statements execute block of instructions if the condition is valid. If the condition is valid. First, if block. Sir, where we can use if block? Give me exact statement. Simple one. Simple one. Display. Sorry. Here it is. Display or print bill amount. Suppose customer bill amount. One example. You will get clarity clearly. Everything easy. Print bill amount. Suppose, look at this. I'm taking double type because bill may be in points. Bill equals to some bill amount. Later we will write. Later. Concept is just print the bill amount. Na? System.out.println. Please pay the bill amount. Please pay the bill amount. Pay the bill amount. See, one customer came. Bill amount is a 3,000 rupees. 3,000. See, output is pay 3,000. Next amount is 8,000. Second customer came. Bill is a 8,000 rupees. Then here it is pay 8,000 rupees. See, whatever the bill amount, no matter. Whatever the bill amount, no matter. First customer. If bill amount is 3,000, output is a pay 3,000 rupees. It will come like this. If bill amount is 8,000 rupees, pay 8,000 rupees. Here no conditional statement. No conditional statement here. Okay, na? Here I'm just giving that like this. The next one is here give 20% discount to the customer, to every customer on their bill. 20% discount on their bill. See here. See here. Whatever the bill amount, no matter, again later that is. Calculate 20% discount. 20% means 20 by 100 you can write, or simply 0.20. 20% bill amount. Calculating as a discount. Double discount equals to 20% bill we calculated as discount. Discount generally we deducted from the bill. From the bill we deduct the discount and we store into that bill. Okay. Suppose 3,000 rupees bill amount. One customer came. Bill amount is 3,000 rupees. 20% of 3,000 is nothing but 600 rupees. Discount is a 600 rupees. 3,000 minus 600 rupees, 2,400 rupees. The 2,400 rupees we need to pay. See, when you run the code, okay, 2,400 rupees. Sir, suppose 8,000 rupees. 8,000 20% means what? 1,600. 1,600. 8,000 minus 1,600. 6,400 rupees. 400 rupees. 6,400 rupees is a bill. Like this. Bill. If bill amount is just, I'm showing the output also. If bill amount is 3,000, you have to pay 2,400 rupees. Sir, I want to print a discount also, sir. Your wish, you can print. I'll show you. Sir, I want to print discount also. Print system.out.println discount, but of course not required. Discount. How much discount is there? That discount also we are printing. 1,600 rupees discount. So you have to pay 6,400 rupees. Hope you got. Okay. Now, up to here, okay. Now exactly our if block comes. Exactly. See, give 20% discount only if the bill amount is minimum 5,000 rupees. If bill amount is minimum 5,000, not for every customer, on condition This is condition. Here 20% discount to everyone. Now 20% discount only on condition. So here we are giving this one discount. We are writing only if bill amount is greater than or is equals to 5,000. Greater than or equals to 5,000. This is exact use of if block. If anyone asks, tell me one real-time example, right? Where we use exactly if block means this is. Now suppose one customer came 3,000 rupees bill amount. So 3,000 greater than or equals to 5,000, condition failed. Condition failed. So here it is. Bill is a 3,000, exactly 3,000 only. You have to pay 3,000 rupees. Look at this, no discount for you. Suppose another customer is a 8,000 rupees. Yes, 8,000 greater than or equals to 5,000. So calculate the discount, deduct from the bill. So you have to pay only 6,400 rupees after the discount of 1,600 rupees. This is the exact use of where we are using if conditional statement. If 3,000 no discount, please pay 3,000. 8,000 you need to pay only 6,400. This is one example. Just only try this example. We will discuss today remaining also. Just quickly do this, everyone. Right. So everyone written? Good. Now, so this is the use of just only if block. So when we use if block means or what? If there is only one situation, execute a block of instructions on a condition. It's a one situation only. It's only one situation. But here it is if else block, easy, simple examples are there. If else block means what? Two situations. If there are two situations, we can write. See, the simple one. Check the number or check the person can vote or not. Suppose based on age. Any age you can take later, that is. If age is greater than or equals to 18, then we can say that system.out.println, yes, can vote. Can vote. Else system.out.println is a cannot vote. The two things. Can vote, cannot vote. See here, suppose if age is 13. 13 greater than or equals to 18, its condition is a false. So output is a cannot vote will print. Cannot vote. Suppose here it is if age is a 23. 23 greater than or equals to 18 is a condition is true. Condition is true. Then can vote will print. Here it is. Person can vote or not. Then this is the program. And remember, only if there is a one statement, no need to use this block. No need to use this block. For single statement, not required. If the block has only one statement, one statement, no need to use braces. No need to use what? Braces. If the block has only one statement. Any number of examples. For example, check the number is even number or not. Number I am taking n. Sir, what is the number? Later. If the number is divisible by 2 equals to 0, then it is even number. Else not even number. Not even number. The number, suppose number is a 4. 4 mod 2 equals to 0. Yes, condition is true, then it is even. Is a even. Suppose if the value is a 5, it is not even. It is not even. That is. So this is how we are writing the code. Check the number is even or not is the one. Okay. So when we go with if else if, right here it is a more than 2 situations are there. More than 2 situations. What are more than 2 situations? Suppose check the number is positive or negative or 0. Positive or negative or 0. Then here it is, take one number. Positive means what? Greater than 0. It is positive number. Else if less than 0, then it is negative. Else if you want to write, you can write else if equal to 0. But if first two fail, is automatically third one. This is for positive condition. This is for negative condition. This is for 0 condition. But third one is not important. Reason is what? If these two fail, automatically this one will execute. Suppose -5 I am writing. First condition fail, but second condition is valid. Just run it. Output is a negative, second one. One more example, suppose. Two examples. This example you also will try. Check the shape is triangle or rectangle or pentagon or other shape or any other shape or any other shape. So shape we decides based on number of sides. Based on number of sides. How many? Later. Triangle means how many sides? 3 sides. Sides is equals to 3, double equal. Yes, it's a triangle. Else if sides is equals to 4, it's a rectangle. Sides is equals to 5, equals to 5, it's a pentagon. Else system.out.println its other shape. Simply when you run the code, you will get error. Reason is what? Here you need to change. Sir, 5 I have given. First one fail, second one fail, it will go to the pentagon shape. Sides is equal to 6 hexagon. Sides equals to 7 hectagon, octagon. Like that you can take. Okay, if you give wrong, suppose 2 or 7, you will get other shape, you will get this one. I'll share the document, of course, but you please try this one, because else if you have to write quick. Now the last one I'm going to explain. So that is what? Nested if. Check the condition. Check the condition based on another condition. Nothing but if one condition is valid, then check another condition. Check another condition. So what is that? Simple example. The question is, check the number is even or not. Only if the number is positive number. If this condition is valid, then only check this condition. Simple. See, first I'm taking the number. Any number. Later. Even number or not. But first not even number directly. Check the number is positive number or not. If it is positive number, then checking even or not. Here it is. Else system.out.println given number is not positive. Given number is not positive. Suppose if they enter -5, given number is not positive. Output is, sir, if the given number is positive, then yes, condition is true, go inside. If it is positive, then again if block, inside another if block. Number is divisible with a 2. If it is divisible, then it's a even number. Positive, even. But here, else. It's not even number. Positive but not even number. C5. First condition is valid. Then even or not even. Second condition is not valid. It will come and execute. Output is a not even. Nested if means what? Nested if means what? If one condition is valid, how it executes? If this condition is valid, it will go inside and it will check this condition is valid or not. If it is valid, then this one. If it is not valid, then this one. Sir, if outer condition only fails, then it will come to outer if else only. Sir, where we use exactly the situations, we'll see number of examples in the next class also. Like for example, just display student grade. A grade, B grade, C grade, distinction. But only if student pass in all subjects. Only if student pass in all subjects. That is. Okay. See, all these programs we will discuss. Today, I just explained the concepts where we use if block, where we use if else block, where we use if else if block, where we use nested if block. Okay. Based on this, so many examples are there. All these examples I'll explain one by one in the coming concepts. You don't worry. Okay. Practice all these questions. I'll share this document also. Please practice all these things. Hope you understood the today concept.